Hi, today I'll show you how to create a small human resources application with two forms, employees and departments, and I will give you an intro on how to design the form, on how to improve it, and also on how to design the views, the different views that you can use in the application. So let's begin by creating the application. Let's name it Human Resources App. And let's create the two forms or models, departments and employees. Let's also choose an icon for the app and a color for this icon. All right. And now we have the application created. As you can see on the left, we already have the forms that we created, departments and employees. And now let's go ahead and create some departments. We will create, let's say, human resources. And I will also create sales. Okay, now I have two different departments that I can see right here. Now, I will go to the employees form. And as you can see, there's only one field that is automatically created, and that is the name. Now, as an administrator or designer of this app, I will be able to see the range icon at the upper right corner in the application. So I will click on it and I will go to the design view. So there's a few changes that I will make here. The first one, I will change the section name to general information. I will change the layout to 2 columns, and I will modify these to be first name. Now let's take a look at the left section, or at the left now. I can see the different type of fields that I can use in the form. There are several fields that I can use in the form. So right now I'm going to use the text box because I want to create a last name field right now in my form. Then let me add an email and another text box in order to ask for the phone number. Okay, and now I have designed the form, or I have customized the employees form. And what I'd like to do is to go to the end user interface. So let's go to the employees form. And as you can see, here is the form with the changes I just made. First name, last name, email address, and phone number. Let's create some records. John Myers, email john@youremail.com, and then a phone number. Okay, let's add a new record. Youremail.com, and one more, Jeff Johnson, email. Okay, and there I have 3 employees already created. Let me go here. Okay. However, if you remember, I created a new field which was the last name and is not being shown here. In order for me to show the most relevant information in this grid, in the records table, I can use the edit button here on the right to change the view, to modify the view. So I click on it, and now I'm able to drag and drop the different fields that I want to show in the grid. So for instance, I want to show the last name, the email address, and the phone number as well. Okay, and there are some other options that I will show you later, but for now, just modify the view. I will save it, and the app takes me directly to the new view, or to the view modify, So as you can see, we have the first, last name, email, phone number, and some other details that might be relevant to you. In the same way, you or any user can create their own view by using this create new view button. So then you choose the fields or the details that you want to show, for instance, and then the other options, you just name this form this view my own view. You hit save, and there you have the new view. Okay, and that is how easy you can customize. You can start customizing the form, and how you can start customizing the views. You can create as many views as you need. You can create as many forms as you need. So that's all for now. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope to see you in the next videos.